So a time where I don't listen effectively is in class sometimes. I have an 8 a.m. and it's a 2 hour class and it isn't much like an engagement class. It's mostly like the professor talking for the 2 hours, which makes it really hard to stay focused or like stay interested in everything that he's saying because he does talk for a long time and his voice is like monotone, so it makes it even harder. um so I just like get distracted, or I just start thinking like things about my life, or I don't eat breakfast, so then I start thinking about what I'm going to eat after class, or just stuff like that are just like so random. um or I just like zone out and just stare at like a piece of paper on the wall or something like that. And then when I zone back in, I don't know like what the professor is saying, which makes it really hard to learn, I guess. And or sometimes he asks questions and I don't know the answer to it, so I'm just like hoping that he doesn't call on me or like pick somebody random to answer the question, cuz that would be really bad and awkward. Um I guess a way I could have changed the outcome or changed the outcome is by obviously listening better or trying to find ways to stay focused on what he's saying. Like sometimes I take notes to like just help me like process more of what he's saying in class. But yeah, I do get really distracted in class, and yeah.